Okay, well, we're hoping that this question has drawn you to the videos, because if you fiddle around with this long enough, you're going to get pretty much nowhere, isn't that right?
It's going to be a bit of a tricky one, I feel, and let's give it a go and see what happens. Put it in matrices. We get -2, 1, 2, -1, and that's x, y equals -1, 1. And that's written in matrix form now, so we can solve that.
Okay, so find the determinant.
Find the determinant, yeah, so we want to find the inverse, so find the determinant's a good place to start. X, y equals, and then our inverse, swap the AD, so -1, -2, make these ones negative, -1, -2, and it's going to be multiplied by -1, 1, and then we've got 1 over the determinant, so AD minus BC, so multiply these two together, get 2 minus these two together.
2 minus 2.
2 minus 2, so that's 0.
Okay, so hit a wall.
Hit a wall, we've got 1 divided by 0, yes? How many zeros go into 1, Simon?
Yeah, okay.
It's a bit of a problem, yes?
This is good. This is what we come to talk about.
Yep, so when you're doing matrices, you're basically solving, you've got 2 linear equations, one that way, and then usually one like that, and that's the point you're trying to find, where they're equal to each other.
However,
Your x and y found. However, sometimes what you get is parallel lines. Yeah? And so therefore they've got the same gradient and they're never going to cross, therefore you're not going to have any solutions. Yeah. So the other one that we've got to think about is when they're actually the same line.
infinite solutions.
Infinite solutions.
Which is what we've got here.
Which is what we appear to have here, yeah? Because if we rearrange this equation, we're going to get y equals 2x minus 1. And rearrange this one, you're going to get the same, put the y on that side, the 1 on that side, you're going to get y equals 2x minus 1. So actually for this one, to find x and y, any value of x and y will do. So you could put in any x value and any y value and you've solved it. So say x was a half, and you get -2 times a half, and say y is 0 plus 0, which equals -1, that works. And then same on the bottom, you get 2 times a half minus 0, which equals 1. So there we go.
Yeah, so whatever you do, right answer, but you've shown that using matrices.
Perfect.